Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the temperature sensor in a Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flathead screwdriver, a utility knife, and a pair of wire strippers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new temperature sensor and a couple of connectors. There are two identical temperature sensors used in this refrigerator. One is located in the fresh food section and another in the freezer. By changing their resistance value and relaying it to the main control board, the temperature sensors allow the board to maintain the set temperature inside the compartments. If the temperature is off in any of the sections, check and replace the temperature sensor if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. The temperature sensor we're going to replace is inside this cover box. To get easier access to it, I'm going to remove the shelf that is above this cover box. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver and I'm going to insert it into this little slot here at the back where the locking tab is. Trust me, I'll open it and I'll show it to you. And I'm going to pull out on this side. And this is a tab I was talking about. And next I'm going to pull out the sensor from this cover. Next step would be cutting the old temperature sensor off the harness. So use the wire strippers, cut it close to this sensor. Snap it. Our next step would be spreading the wires. I'm using a utility knife and I'm going to cut this. Be careful, don't cut fingers. And then I'm going to spread them. Alright. Our wire strippers are back. We're going to strip the ends. This is the old temperature sensor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. As you probably noticed, the new one looks very different from the old one, but this is a valid replacement, factory-made part. Alright, so I've got here a new temperature sensor, and I'm going to use the wire strippers. I'm going to strip more at the end of the wire here. And next step would be connecting the wires. We've got two black ones, two white ones. It doesn't matter what order. I'm going to place the connector on. And I'm going to use this crimper here at this wire stripper. And the second one, I'm going to place the cover on. Just put it loose inside the cover. Alright, I'm going to insert this clip in. And going to lock the rear one. And now I'm going to place the shelf back. And now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.